Hello. Hi, my name is Nico. What's your name?
My name is Sagar. Where are you from
Uh,
calling?
I'm from Australia. Have,
Okay.
and where are you from?
I am from India, the western part of the Maharashtra.
Okay, I have traveled in India a little bit. I went to
Oh,
New Delhi, Jaipur, Varanasi, and I went down south. So like Goa, Gokana. Yeah, so India's amazing.
yes, yes. It's a part of that in Indian. It's very famous, for Jaipur as well as New Delhi. It's very amazing too.
Mm. And have you been on Cambly for long?
I have been using Cambly 3, 4 months before, and right now
Excellent.
also I am using.
Ah, very good. And what are you doing at the moment? Are you working or?
Yes, yes. I am working in that private school. I teach chemistry
Oh,
subject.
excellent. Oh, wow, that's amazing. That's so cool. Ah, so I do a bit of teaching as well, but mostly I'm doing the online with Cambly, but I also do younger kids sometimes. So I really enjoy working with kids and watching how their minds work. It's
Yes,
very
yes. I
exciting. Yeah.
You are looking for that teaching in English subject or other
Yes.
subject, teacher?
Yeah, other subjects as well. So with the kids, so more creative subjects. But I also think that, chemistry, science, very
Yes,
important for kids to learn, So I think fantastic that you're doing that. Yeah, so what is the favorite part of your job?
yes, yes. For that, when I to teach for the student that conversations that happening, it is very enjoyable. Is also sometimes they are to not solve some problems and they can't
Yeah,
understand for the problems. This is too very easy to represent it. Sometimes for that our teacher is also that in our mind that to not solve any problem. Sometimes they are
that's right.
also they are, yes, I'm too very excited for the how to that represent for our student to in easy way. It's very interesting.
Yes, yeah, yeah. And do you get to create chemistry assignments? So do you get to write the assignment for the children?
Not not in the tutor,
No.
but mostly
Okay.
for in basically in a school.
Okay, excellent. So, do you
Hello.
get hello? Can you hear me?
Yes, 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 you can hear.
Yes, I can hear you. Um,
Hello.
do you ever do any chemistry experiments?
Yes, yes. A lot of experiment I am to do in my laboratories as well as before because the when I was to student in the last year that was so many experiment I have to do that time, and it's very amazing is also experiment because it's very for amazing thing to do and some creations sometimes they are not happen to experiment. We get too frustrated is also these all kind of things to happening is also so much.
Yeah.
Yes, it's very valuable is also.
So no explosions.
Yes.
No explosions in class.
Yes, yes. What
For fun.
for sometimes this is also happen, but typically what happen that handling is very safe. That was time that time it is not happening mostly, but I'm to care about for this thing.
Yeah, but
And
that
please
sounds so
tell me
fun.
about for Nicorette. What about
So,
for your opinion? My English.
oh, yes, your English is good. You can understand really well, and you're using some big vocabulary words associated with chemistry. But of course, your pronunciation, so your accent, we just need to work on that a little bit more. But that's normal. You're not a native English speaker, so you can't expect to sound like one yet. But that's, the more you practice, the better you'll get.
Yes,
But it
yes.
was